How to install Lightroom presets in desktop. First of all, open Bluestack or LDPlayer on your desktop. Once the emulator is running, go to the Play Store inside the emulator. Tap on the search button at the top of the screen and in the search bar type Lightroom preset. Wait for the search result to appear. You will see multiple apps listed, so carefully scroll through and find the app developed by Mobile Presets and Filter. Once you locate it, click on the app to open its details page. Here you can check the app's information, ratings and reviews to ensure it's safe and reliable. Next, click the install button and wait for the app to download and install within the emulator. After the installation is complete, open the app inside Bluestack or LDPlayer. You may need to grant permission so the app can access your files and photos properly. Inside the app, browse through the presets, preview them and select the ones you want to use. Now you know how to install Lightroom presets in desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more photo editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.